Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ghor Publishers. Our slogan is that we are redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. I am Manu Ahmed and I will be teaching you computer science for grade 8. Dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम अपने यूनिट नंबर 6 डिजिटल सिटीजनशिप की एक्सरसाइज को कवर करेंगे. हमारी एक्सरसाइज का पहला क्वेश्चन है ट्रू फॉल्स और उसकी पहली स्टेटमेंट है ethical issue is a situation where a moral conflict arises and must be addressed, and this statement is true. The second statement is harassment is not commonly known ethical issue. This is false. Third statement is digital ethics are important because they protect the right of digital users. This is true. Fourth statement is misuse of personal information is not an ethical issue. This is false. Fifth statement is robotic machine in place of human soldier is a real possibility. This is true. Sixth statement is as a student we represent our school. This is also true. Seventh statement is a computer virus is a malicious code. This is true. Eighth statement is a computer worm is a self-replicating program. This is true. Ninth statement is IoT stands for information of things. This is false. Tenth statement is piracy is a practice of downloading and distributing copyrighted works. This is true. So students, हमारी exercise का second question is fill in the blanks and हमारी पहली statement is ethical issue is a situation where a dash arises and the answer is moral conflict arises. Second statement is digital ethics are important because they dash the right of digital users, protect the right of digital users. Third statement is dash allows manipulation of digital imagery that people appear to be saying and doing things that never happened, and it's considered deep fake technology. Fourth statement is limit employees access to only the specific resources to stop dash, and the answer is insider threats. Fifth statement is a dash is a malicious code that replicates itself to another program, system or host file, and the answer is computer virus. Sixth statement is a dash is a self-replicating program that does not have to copy itself to a host program, और इस ब्लैंक में आएगा कंप्यूटर वर्म. सेवेंथ स्टेटमेंट इज टिपिकली द डैश मालवेयर सर्चेस फॉर वल्नरेबल डिवाइसेस अक्रॉस द इंटरनेट, एंड इस ब्लैंक में आएगा द बॉटनेट्स. एट्थ स्टेटमेंट इज इन डैश यूजर्स डज नॉट हैव टू क्लिक ऑन एनीथिंग टू एक्टिवेट द डाउनलोड, और इसका आंसर है ड्राइव बाय डाउनलोड अटैक्स. Ninth statement is in a dash attack multiple machines attack a target to make it totally inoperable, and इस blank में आएगा denial of service DOS attack. Last statement is in dash attack the victim's computer is locked typically by encryption, और इसका आंसर है ransomware attack. So students, अब हम अपने थर्ड क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज आंसर क्वेश्चंस. मैं उनके क्वेश्चंस भी बोलूंगी और आंसर्स भी बोलूंगी और आप आंसर्स अपनी स्क्रीन पे भी देख सकते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्क्राइब एथिक्स इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, एंड द आंसर इज ethics means knowing what is right and wrong and choosing to do the right thing. It is a set of moral principles that guide how we behave, treat others, and make decisions in our daily life. Second question is enlist any two ethical issues. First one is unethical leadership. This includes action like manipulating data, bullying, or asking employees to ignore rules. Second is discrimination and harassment, treating employees unfairly based on race, gender, age, or disability, which is both unethical and illegal. Third question is, what do you mean by digital ethics? And the answer is, digital ethics refer to the moral rules and responsibilities we must follow while using digital technology. It is about how we use the internet, mobile apps, websites, and digital tools in a fair, safe, and respectful way. Fourth question is, why digital ethics are important? And the answer is, digital ethics are important because they help protect users' privacy, personal data, and online rights. They guide how technology should be used responsibly and fairly. Fifth question is, discuss any two issues in digital ethics. So the first issue is misuse of personal information. Companies may collect personal data and use it for profit without clear permission from users. Second issue is misinformation and deepfakes. Technology is being used to spread false information and create fake videos that can mislead people. And the third issue is autonomous technology. Machines like self-driving cars and robots raise ethical concerns about safety and decision making. Sixth question is, how does deepfake technology work? And the answer is, deepfake technology works by using artificial intelligence especially a type called deep learning, to create fake images, videos, or audios that look and sound real. This technology uses two main parts, that are generator that creates fake content and discriminator that checks if the content looks real or not. If not, it sends feedback to improve the fake content. This process continues until the fake video or image becomes so realistic that it is hard to tell it's not real. Seventh question is, enlist any 5 dangers of being online. Here are 5 dangers of being online. First, cyberbullying, being bullied or harassed by others through messages, comments, or posts. Second, hacking, unauthorized access to your personal accounts or devices. Third is scam and fraud, fake messages or websites that try to steal your money or personal information. Fourth is inappropriate content, accidentally viewing harmful or unsuitable content. And the last one is privacy loss. Sharing too much personal information can be misused by others. Question number 8 is differentiate between viruses and worms. And the answer is a virus is a type of malware that attaches itself to a file or program. It needs human action to spread, like opening a file or running a program. Once activated, it can delete files, slow down the system, or damage data. A worm is a standalone program that spreads on its own without needing to attach to a file. It travels across networks and computers automatically. Worms can spread much faster than viruses and often cause network slowdowns. Ninth question is, what are botnets? How can we avoid them? And the answer is, a botnet is a collection of interconnected devices, including PCs, mobile devices, servers, and IoT devices that are infected and remotely controlled by a common type of malware. To avoid botnets, we can take the following steps. Number 1, keep your operating system and software updated with the latest security patches. Number 2, use firewalls and antivirus software to detect and block threats. Number 3, avoid clicking suspicious links or downloading unknown files from email or websites. Number 4, monitor network activity for any unusual or slow behavior. And number 5, educate users about safe internet practices to prevent infections. The last question is, discuss the impact of DOS attacks. A denial of service DOS attack can cause serious problems for individuals, businesses, and organizations. During a DOS attack, the target system, like a website or server, receives too many requests at once, making it unable to function properly. As a result, normal users cannot access the services they need. So dear students, that was all about this lecture. इस वीडियो में हमने अपने यूनिट नंबर 6 की एक्सरसाइज को डिस्कस किया. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑनवर्ड्स हम अपने इस बुक का लास्ट यूनिट नंबर 7 के टॉपिक्स को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.